color is that one?
It's blue.
Remember, keep the spoon in there. Put the spoon back in there.
Hey, girl.
Keep checking them.
It's yellow. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Put the spoon back in.
And this one. Look at that.
Keep the spoon in
Yeah, she
there.
remembers.
Every time.
Yeah, but she got, oh, I gotta put the spoon back.
What color is that one?
Oh my gosh, it's weird.
What's that one way over there?
Ew.
What color is that one?
That was green.
Oh, that's a beautiful color, green.
Spoon.
And this one too.
Whoa!
Splashing.
Don't splash. Say hi.
Hi.
Say, I'm dyeing Easter eggs.
Okay.
That's a pretty blue one there.